Vantage Career Center has trained more than 15,000 students in its 33 years and has been a major resource for companies in our region ever since.
We have had probably 11 Vantage graduates come through our doors as employer in the 21 years we've been in business. It gives you the opportunity to bring somebody in your business that knows what they're doing.
Vantage helped prepare me for the field I went into, to provide the confidence and the reassurance that I needed to be a success while here at Vantage and out in the workforce, obtaining a further education and knowing that I could be competitive with everyone else.
I worked at Kongsberg for 30 years and I lost my job and I didn't know what to do. So I looked into schooling. Vantage had everything I needed to help retrain me, and it gives me so many possibilities that when I lost my job, I didn't have any possibilities really for a good job. And now I'm really looking forward to graduating and starting a new career.
I'm Stacy Kaufman, Superintendent of Vantage Career Center. This school has meant the world to most students who have come here for training in the past 33 years. The most gratifying part of my role as superintendent is hearing their success stories, spoken from teens, parents, and even senior citizens who changed careers in later life thanks to training at Vantage.
Vantage is also a satellite campus for Wright State University and offers adult night courses all year round.
The university really values the collaboration we have with Vantage Career Center here in Van Wert. The courses that a student takes and transitions from Career Center to college to the workplace are so important.
We're happy to partner with Wright State and Northwest State Community College to provide college classes close to home.
Vantage has been required to increase academic courses so that students can still attend Vantage and graduate from their local high schools. Adding courses also means adding more classroom, which requires space, and Vantage is short on space. This is a chemistry room. Since academic classrooms were needed, Vantage had to create additional classrooms in existing career technical training spaces. This chemistry room was formerly a manufacturing engineering lab. Only one sink is available. This science room has no running water, nor adequate space for computers. The levee would provide water, eye-wash stations, and space for computers and students. To enter this precision machining classroom, you have to go through the lab, up the steps, and into the storage loft, which has been converted into a classroom. It is not handicap accessible. In this agricultural mechanics classroom, once you climb the stairs, you literally have to duck underneath the ventilation ducts for engine exhaust. This is also the area housing the electrical breakers for a major portion of the school. 9 teachers here don't even have a classroom that they can call their own. Wheelchair and handicap accessibility is a problem at Vantage Career Center. The levee will correct the problems caused by lack of restrooms, classrooms, and handicap accessibility. In 1976, labs were not built to train females in traditionally male trades of that era. This levee would provide restrooms designed for male and female students. The heating and ventilation system was not designed for so many additional classrooms. Many classrooms and labs use only a bank of lockers as the wall separating the classrooms from the hallway. In the classrooms where plexiglass has been inserted to shut out the hallway noise, it creates another problem with heating, usually causing extreme hot or cold temperatures for students. Today, computers are a major part of our lives. Computers take more electricity than this building had been designed for back in 1976.
What it all boils down to is that after 33 years of solid use and enrollment, Vantage has simply outgrown its facility. We need more space and replacement of our heating and ventilation and electrical systems. We need your help to ease the squeeze of space and electrical limitations. Our construction project will fix all these problems and more. Proposed additions to the building include adequate science classrooms equipped with daylight, running water, and experiment stations. Nearly 77% of our academic classrooms are 500 to 600 square feet, much smaller than the recommended 900 square foot classroom. With your local community support in November, the OSFC will give $16.2 million toward Vantage to expand and renovate your Career Center. The estimated $30 per year is an unbelievably low cost for this building project. That's about 1 tank of gas per year.
Additional plans include new space for welding, carpentry, and precision machining labs. The renovation will actually gut most of the existing building and create a more effective classroom floor plan. An additional health careers training lab is proposed, which will be used heavily by adult education students and offer additional program options for high school training students. Northwest State could return to Vantage once a renovated, expanded facility provides adequate space for their training needs. A positive levy response will allow more than 500 students a year and over 1,400 adults per year to train for careers in optimum learning conditions.
I believe in what we do here, and we need you to believe in us. For less than a dime a day, a taxpayer with a house valued at $100,000 can help us move forward with an investment in the future of our students and our communities.
It's given me the opportunity to give those jobs back to somebody else, to be the employer. I've been a champion of Vantage for years, and I wouldn't be where I'm at today if it wasn't for Vantage.
Vantage will continue to mean the world to countless students of all ages, but it will also mean a well-trained workforce and so much more.
Please vote yes on November 3rd. Thank you for watching this video. This message was paid for by Citizens for Vantage Career Center.